If a man has two wives, like it was common in many cultures of yesteryear, you can imagine the tensions that are between these two women. Not recommended. As the rabbis say, don't try it at home. Now add another layer. The two wives are sisters. It is a recipe for strife. And indeed, the Torah describes exactly such a situation. Through series of unexpected twists of events, two sisters, Rachel and Leah, both marry Jacob. To make things even more complicated, one sister, Leah, has children, and the other one, Rachel, does not. Rachel becomes jealous of Leah. On human level, it makes perfect sense, but jealousy is explicitly prohibited by the Ten Commandments. Do not covet. And we know that Rachel was a righteous woman. So if she was righteous, how could she be jealous? Well, what is jealousy? I was a better student, but my classmate gets a higher paying job. I feel jealous. My neighbor buys a nicer car than mine. I feel jealous again. My friends can afford fancy vacations, and I cannot. I'm even more jealous. And all this comes from the belief that I should have what someone else has, that the world is unfair, that someone else got my portion instead of me. Jealousy is a protest, it's a complaint against an unjust world. But if I truly believe that God runs the world and that He's always fair, then how can I be jealous? I can, and I will tell you how. If God is just, then if someone has more than I do, they must have earned it. Maybe they have done more mitzvot. Maybe they did something extraordinary once. Maybe they give more, help more, care more. So what exactly am I jealous of? I'm jealous of the merits that they earned through their deeds. This is why the Ten Commandments specify: do not covet your neighbor's house. Do not covet your neighbor's donkey and anything that belongs to your neighbor. Why does the Torah need to specify it? When the Torah says do not murder, it does not qualify who you're not allowed to murder, because murder is bad all across. But jealousy, it depends what you are jealous of. Whether you are jealous of what someone else has, or are you jealous of his or her merits. This is why the Torah is specifying what Rachel's jealousy was. Rashi writes that Rachel was not jealous of Leah's children. She was jealous of Leah's merits that allowed her to have those children. Rachel believed in a fair and just ruler of the world. She knew that if her sister had something she didn't, it meant that Leah earned it through her actions. And this is what Rachel was jealous of. So, there are two kinds of jealousy, and they are complete opposite of each other. Jealousy of what someone has. This type of jealousy leads to resentment, complaints, and feeling like you are a victim of an unfair world. And then there's another type of jealousy. Jealousy of what someone does. Jealousy of someone's merits. This jealousy inspires growth. It pushes me to ask, how can I become better? How can I earn more blessings for myself? So jealousy is not bad. It just depends what type of jealousy you choose. One version drags a person down, the other one is lifting him up. So yes, you can be jealous. Just make sure you are jealous of the right things.